Hi gardening friends, come along with me today as I fertilize my rose bushes. So in this bed I have two roses. The first rose was here when I bought the house, so it's more than 20 years old. It's a beautiful red rose. I don't know the variety. Most of the flowers in this bed are purple, so the red really doesn't go, but it's the OG of the bed, so I have not moved it. And this is a beautiful pink climbing rose bush that I planted about 15 years ago, and I don't remember the variety. It seems to be doing very well. I did have two trees removed recently, so it seems to like the added sunlight. And then in the backyard around the deck, I have three double knockout roses. These roses can grow up to about between 4 and 5 feet tall and wide. So really looking forward to those becoming mature. And this is the bed that I started last summer. And as you can see, there's a lot of uninvited guests in the form of weeds, which we'll have to remove. But before then, I have this At Last rose that I planted last year, so we'll also take care of her today as well. So I'm going to amend the soil with a layer of leaf compost and then fertilize each rose with some rosetone. And I don't have much rosetone, so when that's gone, I'll use the hollytone to fertilize the plants. I usually don't measure the fertilizer. I just eyeball it. I may add about a cup, maybe it's a little more than a cup of fertilizer, and I'll just apply it along the drip line of the plant. And then just gently work it into the soil with my hand, or you can use any type of gardening tool to do that. But I'll just gently work that into the soil. And then I'll cover that with a layer of compost. And then mix the compost into the soil as well. And that's really about it. Now let's get after the other roses. Happy gardening.